eventually his father decided to face Wei in a showdown. They engaged in close combat. Yan relentlessly swung his baton, inching closer with every strike. Wei Yan hit his shoulder, got wounded by the knife. Wu blocked the baton and swiftly counterattacked with his knife and kept backing off, taking another hit. Wu kept coming, throwing punches and using his knife fast. Yan defended and stepped back, waiting for his chance. When they saw it, Yan switched to attack. Wu aimed for Yan's leg and then jumped at him. Both attacked simultaneously.
Kailanman bang naramdaman mo ang hindi ligtas kapag nag-iisa? Ang knuckle punch keychain na self-defense, ang iyong perpektong kasangga upang protektahan ka sa mga mapanganib na sitwasyon. Ang produktong ito ay hindi lamang tumutulong sa iyo na mag-self-defense, kundi maaari ka ring iligtas mula sa mga mapanganib na kalagayan.